Hello Canva users. In this video, we're going to learn how to make uh, some text effects which are totally awesome. So you can design anything you want, like something like thumbnail, and Canva creates it for you, the project. Okay, then just change it something like that. You should go to elements, search for letter water color, then you can choose the letters like something like my name. Okay, I have two A's in my name, so what I can do is put two A's. I have one N. Yeah, there's a L in my name. So there's a G in my name. Okay, and just put it all here. Wait. Um, okay, so let's. I have one magic trick that I'm gonna show you to reduce all of the letters size. You may already know, but I'm gonna show you to people who don't. So what you can do is with your left, you should keep on clicking on your left and select all these items. Then reduce all of those items to particular size that you want. Then you can click outside and start arranging. Okay, then yeah, there's the eye. I should have made it a little bigger, I think. Yeah, I'll make it a little bigger. Okay, let's align it. So as you can see, if I select all of them, it is not like up to the standard. It, as you can see, some letters are a little down, some are going out of the border. So what you can do is click on position, and there's the space evenly option. You should click on tidy up, and what Canva does is it tidies up your elements, and ta-da, it did that for me. Then the second magic text font we are going to learn is the golden balloon font. So you should type go letter gold, oops, golden balloon. Then as you can, oops, okay, it taking some time. It is taking some time. Okay. So as you can see, this is called the letter golden balloon option. So I'm going to write something random, like something like um, yeah, rim. The rim, that gave me a good option. So something like that. This is totally awesome. This golden balloon. What I suggest is a golden balloon option. I really liked it when I saw it, but there's another text option. So what you can do is press key T, and as you can see, Canva has your text over there. um I am just gonna go for a font like something like bold. mm, yeah, that is good. So I can increase the size to something like 100. I can keep it here, then write something like car. Okay, so actually let me write something like shade dough. Let me change the color. As you can see, it saves these colors as photo colors, so you can choose those colors for your photo. But I'm gonna click on this one. Yeah, so what you can do is go to effect and go to shadow. But if you don't get the shadow effect, so let me tell you one thing. This shadow effect is uh, is very new, so people who don't have the updated version of Canva might uh, have not received this new shadow option. But as if you have it, it's okay. So as you can see, eh, if you offset it, it changed the offset of the shadow, and let's just keep it something like that. Yeah, that's good. And if you change the direction, as you can see, it goes through all degrees. Let me change the direction to something like that. Then as you can see, if you make it blur, then it makes it more clear. Let me put it to something just like that. Then if you make it fully low transparent, then you cannot see the shadow at all. Let's just keep the shadow a little more transparent. Yeah, 54 is great. So as you can see, you have this color option. You can change it to something like red. Red actually looks cool. So after that, what you can do is this outline effect. Um, so you should bring up a text, mm, something like this. Let's just make it bigger. Name it. Wait, actually, okay, this is called a nude. Let me name this nude as well. Okay, that's nice. So what I will name the text in it as text, text, then Control V and Control C, outline. Okay, and just put it like that and change this. Yeah, and what else? Yeah, you should go to effects and um, click on splice, but you don't want this to come like that. So what you can do is lower the thickness a little bit. That it, as you can see, the thickness differs a lot. Let me just lower a little bit. That thickness is okay for me. Then the offset, it again changes the offset. We can make it to 0. Then the direction, no matter where you keep it, it's just like that, and everything is intact. And this is actually, let me change the color of this before I step to the next one. mm, yeah, something like that will do, and here as well. Oops, no. Yeah, here let me put the same color and change the offset thickness a little bit more. Yeah, that looks good. And we're going to learn one more. So let me add one page and name this as something like um, display. Okay, that looks cool. So what I can do is awesome. Then what you can do is go to effects and you can click on Holo. So what this does is it actually hollows it, and whatever is at the back it shows. Let me show you an example. For that, let's go to Giphy Then what you can do is, wait a minute, wallpaper. Then as you can see, that looks cool. But let's have some more fun. Let me change the text color to something like bright green. Let's make it pretty obvious. Something like that. It's bright green. So I'm gonna maximize it, and I'm gonna upload one more GIF like that and get rid of that GIF. Oh, okay. Move forward, bring to front. Okay, that isn't working. So what this does is, actually this Holo effect is pretty cool if you wanna make a video and you want some very cool effect. You could use the same Holo effect, uh, something like that. Let me choose the spiral one. Okay, actually I'll choose this spiral one. The same rainbow coloring one, yeah. And as you can see, oops, let me just make it dark black so that you can see it, some color. And as you can see, let me zoom in. There is the Holo effect where you can see the awesome text. That is all the effects, everybody. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe to Linga Tech. Sit back, design, and subscribe.